Welcome back on How To.
Today we'll be teaching you how to make popsicles. I'll show you all of our ingredients. So first up we got our water, and then we got our popsicle makers, and then we got our milk. You always need milk. Okay, and then yeah, you gotta have milk for popsicles. Then we got our La Victoria Supreme Salsa. And then we got our secret ingredient, which we are not going to show right now.
Time to do the water. That too much?
Yep. Time for milk. It's a bit much, but okay.
Okay, let's get to the salsa.
Salsa. Oh gosh. Time to reveal our secret ingredient.
Mustard.
Mustard. Time for mustard. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now we freeze. Okay. Who's gonna try theirs first?
Well, we'll all do it at the same time.
Okay.
But
so
who's picking theirs out first?
Oh no.
Oh no, Bo, go put it back in the freezer.
Wait, try another.
That's fail number 1. Yeah, freezer. They're not stuck to it.
Well,
Freezer, fail number 1. We'll
Fail.
get you next time.
well, if we can get them out.
Okay, James, attempt yours first.
Please tell us we can get these out.
If not, then we trash the popsicles.
Oh no!
Trash the popsicles!
Alright.
No.
No!
Oh, that color though.
Yum yum yum.
Hey, let's try mine.
Alright, go ahead and try yours.
Oh! Okay,
guess.
we're all taking a look at this one.
No.
What?
No, just
No.
grab a knife and just try pink.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna. Oh!
Oh man, I guess I don't get to have one. Ah, darn.
Nope. It's coming out.
Oh shoot! Okay, I think it's coming out. You broke it.
Oh. It's shattered. So, 3, 2, 1. Oh god.
We need water.
That was the best thing ever, wasn't it?
I can like feel that in my
Here's the best. Good
stomach.
for you. Go get water.
I mean, if I do come over, I would not taste anything like that.
No, yeah, come over.
Yeah. No.
Take a lick. Come on, take a lick. Come on, take a look. Take a look.
What is it called?
Just take a look. It's just a popsicle. Popsicles.
Yeah, and what?
Popsicles.
No, what flavor?
Popsicle flavor. So apparently, the bad idea was
Bad.
bad.
It was the worst thing I've ever tried in my life.
So now we're having
It was a
otter
disaster.
pops.
Yeah, so now we're just having plain otter pops. No weird elements.
Salsicles. Like, we made that whole thing. It's over on the table and it's a complete waste.
Because we're not doing that video because, well, it's bad.
Why don't you just rip it? It's good enough.
All we can say, it's bad.
Yeah, it was the worst thing I've ever tasted.